Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today for you kind of a little hard machine to find. This is a 2007 Toro Dingo 220 rubber tired mini loader. This unit is in very good shape. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that at all. Machine has 303 hours on it. Has a brand new factory Toro bucket. It's even stamped 2018. Bucket I don't believe has ever been used. 2-speed travel, auxiliary hydraulics. We put brand new tires on it. We just did a full service. Kohler Command Pro 20 horse V-twin gas engine. We'll start you here right at the back of this machine. We're going to start running it, work, do everything we need to do with it. Kohler Command Pro 20 horse V-twin gas engine. Again, we've had it in, serviced it. Fuel filter, engine oil, hydraulic filter. We put a new battery in it also. Has counterweight kit. 303.9 hours. This decal was all tore up, so we put a brand new decal on. We ended up painting this little piece of red here because this was all scuffed up. Other than that, the rest of the paint's original. Brand new Carlisle, what's called I think a Guardian Master or Garden Master. It was the same style tire that was on it from factory, and I put them on. They were 75 bucks a piece. No cylinder leaks, no welds here on the boom anywhere. Up front, standard Toro Dingo quick attach. Coming on around, there's no leaks on it there on this side anywhere. Control wise, you've got your choke, your throttle, forward, reverse, up and down, curl and uncurl for the boom. Auxiliary hydraulics, you've got reverse for running auger forward, and this is your 2-speed. So you also have 2-speed on your auxiliaries also, okay? I'm going to go ahead, fire this little machine up, and run it around here for you and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. everybody can see there, very simple controls. These little machines are a little hard to find on the used market. This is the first one I've had this year. Actually, last year I didn't have the one-wheel machine. This year, so far, one. A little hard to come by. Guys buy them, they just don't give them up. This thing has been fully serviced. There's no leaks, new tires, brand new Toro factory brand bucket, standard Toro Dingo quick attach. There's over 38 different attachments for this machine, such as augers, forks, grapples, which we stock a lot of brand new attachments. You can put a 48-inch mulch bucket on it, rototiller. Possibilities are endless, but pretty much everything that's built for a big machine is built for this small machine also. If you have any question on this, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. If you want to come by and see us yourself in person, we have absolutely nothing to hide. Come on by and check it out. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much, and as always, have a great day.